We always knew it was going to be a tough one tonight. Was it tougher than you expected?
No, it wasn't tougher than we expected. Look, Edinburgh are a good side. They're well coached. Obviously, when you get a new coach, it brings a huge impetus to the team, and they're massively improved from the last couple of seasons. We knew that. They've got a lot of Scottish internationals, and look, it was tough. We didn't take a lot of the chances that we had. I don't know how many 5-metre lineouts we had that we didn't capitalise on. Pressure on their line we didn't capitalise on. So something that we're going to have to look at and improve for next week and beyond.
Is there a little bit of rustiness out there? Maybe players being away for such a long period of time?
Yeah, we spoke about not having any excuses, before the game. Obviously, the two props haven't played. The two second rows have been off for the last couple of weeks. So, yeah, of course it's going to be a bit rusty. I thought we showed some good intent early on. They had a lot of the ball, and we defended well at times and not so well other times. So, lots to improve on.
Great stuff, Johnny. Jennifer Gleeson of Guinness is here to present you your Man of the Match award.